Hi, everyone. My name is Elizabeth Vendetti, and I wanted to share a new thing that just dropped in Canva. It's called Droptober, so it just came out today. They've been advertising it for a little while, and I'm so excited to see it. So when you log into canva.com on your main dashboard, just click See the Latest Launches, okay? And they're going to show you all the new things that they have added for brands, for animation, video, documents, and all sorts of cool stuff. So definitely check it out. But what I want to show you today is Disney. Okay, I'm so excited. I can start using Disney. So just click Try Disney. And already go ahead and follow the brand and look at all the things you can create. All these templates are already ready, all these different collections. I just cannot wait to start making everything with Disney. I'm just super excited. So, if you're as excited as I am to add Disney to your content now, leave a comment below. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll do more Canva tips and tricks. Bye.